Hello guys, and as you see in the previous video, we have the subtle issue with producing the frames 2 times and consuming only 1 time. And I've noticed that there's a asynchronous for loop, and we have 2 cameras. It's going to produce 2 frames at a time. So how about the making change that whenever it's produced the first element and put first frame and put it the queue, let's just immediately wait the sleep here for some amount of time, and indicating that, hey, go and consume this frame. And I want to just print out some extra info here that from producer. So the queue size I want to print. The queue size is queue size. Nice. And I want to print the same info in the consumer as well. This is just for debugging things and from like consumer. What we have, the extra change here, I would like to add this return exceptions to true in order to return the exceptions from this async gather the method. And I'm not going to change this queue size yet, so I assume that it should fix the issue with the queue full problem. And let's just quickly test it. Just to see if it fixed or not. So I'm building the container, going into the container and running this main py. So it seems to be the real-time timestamp added, and also the issue has gone away. But we have still this. Yeah, right. It works. So let's just wait some amount of time to see if it's going to lag or freeze. So as you see, no, there's nothing happened here. It's grabbing and showing the same amount of frame, and it's a nearly not nearly, but it's real time. So let's see. Let's just Control C it and see. So we have so from consumer, from producer, we have when we go into the producer, the queue size is 0, and when we go inside the consumer, the queue size 1. So that should be that's a true. So that should be like this. That means that in theory we can even decrease our queue size to 2. Because we have only 2 cameras and it's producing only 2 frames. Let's just quickly check it. And right, let's just quickly check it. So if it works or not. Oh, right. Yeah. So even with the queue size 2, oh no, that's freezed. Yeah, that's freezed. Let's just increase it a bit. It seems to be like we are still have some issues on processing. We'll just so UV loop where we had this. Let's make it like 4 and quickly check. Right. Yeah, it seems to be the producing is faster than consumer, because it's adding some kind of timestamp and put him back. And there's a queue size not 100 but 4. The queue size 4 is fixed our issue. So we have still disabled the external executors, the process pool executor for random phase detection. In the next videos we are going to fix this issue, that we want that this phase detection also works with our asynchronous queue, and make the change, add some region of interest, the face detected frames into the queue, and we want to show these frames as well. At least our aim in that way. So that's it for this video. So we have fixed the issue, we have added the support to our project, we have changed completely the flow. It's now using asynchronous queue for producing and showing the frames. Great. See you in the next video.